Hello. When you do not is the liar is my fate, is my life, to the right, in the left. Hindi mo alam kasi, isa kang dragon. You do not is the fate to the world, in my life, to the atmosphere, in the molecule. You do not is the liar is my fate. Hindi siya mukhang dragon. Amoy dragon lang. It's the people of the life of the molecule in the world to the parasite. Hindi ka mukhang dragon. Wala kang pake sa buhay ng ibang tao kung hindi ka nagpapakialam sa iba. In the fake is the liar in my life. I'm forever to the world, to the night is the world. Wala kang pake. Diba? Wala kang naintindihan? Because I'm is the people to the night. Huh? Ang pag-ibig, hindi yan inuutusan ng sinumang pagkatao ng iba. I'm never getting cigarette to the people of the night is the people. Walang sila. Hindi kami naging sila. At kung hindi sila, ako yon. Walang iba. Because you are not the people is the night to be amused of what? You do not in my life to the liar. Isa kang mapaglinlang kasi ang pag-ibig na yan, hindi yan pinupuno sa tubig ng pag-ibig. I'm never liar in the light. Akala mo lang yun, pero hindi yan totoo kasi I'd never be in the white of the people. In the community is mine. I'm never being to be. I'm liar's night. Imsnar and nakakainis ka na talaga. Alam mo yon? Hindi ka mukhang dragon. Dragon ka na. Akala mo lang hindi ka niya mahal. Pero nagmamahalan sila. And this night is my life. I never rape me. Hindi ako masamang tao. Ano ko siyang papasukin sa school? Huwag ka nang pumasok sa school. And you are Miss Dragon to the night. Wala kang pake.